Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Shiba Inu. I haven't done very many videos on Shiba Inu because it usually is going up. And so there hasn't been any take profit points, but I see some now because over the last couple of days, things have just been dropping. So I see a couple potential take profits and I'm going to share that with you guys. So if you guys are into things like that, please remember to subscribe over here. There's a little icon and smack that bell when it pops up so that you're notified. Okay. For those of you guys that are new, I jump into trades and I choose certain entries and certain exits. And I let you guys follow me on my journey so that you can see why I'm choosing those points. Okay. So let's go ahead. We will get started here. All right. I haven't made any videos in the last couple of days because I am getting over being sick and it's just kind of taxing me. Anyway, here is TradingView and here is Shiba Inu and here it is right here. It's a little bit up right now. A lot of things have been up today, but we're starting to see some red creep back in. Anyway, let me share with you guys that are new what's going on. Let me show you my chart and why I choose my points. Okay, so what I do, guys, is I draw bases on charts. And when price action breaks below those bases, they usually will swing back up, letting you know that you are buying within the dip, okay? So let me share with you guys, like right here, there's a base right there, real quick, it came down and went right back up. There's one right there, it broke that base, went way down here, everyone probably sold, and then what did it do? It came right back up, and it went up and it hit that line again. Here's another quick one right here, dropped and came back up. There it cracked and came back up. There it cracked again and swung up right over in these two spots here. It broke this base and it came down and it came back up. It broke this base, swung down and came back up. It broke this base. And then what did it do over here? Bing, right there on that little line it hit. And if it would have missed it, what would it have done? You waited a few more days and you would have got it over here. Okay, let me mark that. Shiboing right there. Okay, here's another one. It broke there and it came back up. It broke these ones real quick and then shot right back up. It broke that and came back up. It broke that little one right there and swung up. It broke this one down here and swung up. So more often than not, they are swinging up, right? Okay, so if this is something that you guys haven't, here's another one. Boom, shakalaka, down, rode it for a while vertical and then horizontal and then shot back up. Okay, here's another one right there. Boom, came down and then came back up. Right there, another one came down and came back up. So you guys get the gist. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen stuff like this before, let me open this up. If you have not seen stuff like this before, please help me out. Right down below the video, right over here, there's one of these icons. If you could click that with your mouse, smack it with your finger if you're on your cell phone, it lets YouTube know that I'm providing you guys helpful, interesting information, okay? Plus, what will happen is YouTube will recommend my videos to other people. That's how you found me right now. Okay, so let me go back to the share the screen and just a second. Okay, so here's where Shiba Inu is right here. Look at the price, 0.0000. Got 4 zeros and then 162. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. I'm going to slide over here a little bit more. Here's the potential swing back in the last couple of days. Okay, you guys want to take a photo of that with your cell phone, or you can write it down, help you in your own due diligence. This is not advice. This is just my opinion on what I see based upon breaking bases and coming back up. Okay, so we're at 0.000016. Here's some quick take profits. 4 zeros, 18. 4 zeros, 1925, 4 zeros, 20, 4 zeros, 2149, 4 zeros, 2261. That's the top right there, 2261. If it hits that point, and when it does, because it usually will come back up and hit that point, I don't know what's going to happen at that point. It could keep going up or it could drop back down, but I don't set my take profit above that line. Okay, what is that? Right in this range, this line right here. Let me straighten that out. So if I set my take profit up here, I might get stuck. It could hit that line right there and then shoot back down. Everything's been downtrending. Okay. So that's it on this one. Let's take a look at some of the other indicators. SMA, let's see what's going on here. Okay. So on the SMA, the orange line is arcing back up. If it crosses that blue line, that's an indication that things are going to continue to trend upward. Over here on this one, Fibonacci, I knew when it hit that point right there, I was looking at it just like a day ago. Well, yeah, on the 9th, it hit that line. Let me share with you guys this. So on the Fibonacci, when price action hits these bottom, imagine this is a cloud, okay? When price action hits these lines, the bottom of this cloud, it will usually swing back up. Like it almost hit there and then it shot up. Price action jumped up. It definitely hit right there. And then what did it do? It shot up a little bit. And then over here, right when it hit right there, I go, I think we're at the end. It's going to go back up. And overnight, it shot back up. Okay. So right now we're kind of in the middle. So we're not really sure what's going on. Let's look at the volume. All right. You would think that there would be a lot of volume right here, right there. That's would be the place where everyone should have bought. but ultimately the volume is higher up. Okay. So if I was in on this deal, I'm already in on Shiba Inu. But if I was going to be jumping back in and I saw that hit right there, I would have been jumping in, because then I could have rode it right up to like the center line. All right, let's take a look at the RSI. RSI it's over here. It's up at 43. All right, so we're not at the top. We're above the middle, but it should be able, there's 70, 30. Okay, so there's room. It could go up or down, but I think it's probably going to continue to move up. I think these are short-term holds right here for you guys. Okay, these profits right here, I think you can definitely get here. So this is an advice, just my opinion on what I see. Do your own due diligence. And for those of you guys that are stuck in on other coins and you want me to take a look at those and see if you are within, hold on a second. If you are within, get rid of this, boom. If you are within the dip still, if you are within this area, let me know in the comments down below. Tell me what coin you're stuck in on and what price you bought. I'll take a look at it. Sometimes you guys might be up here. You might have to buy back in and then let it ride up a ways and then sell on a loss on the first one and take the profit on the second one and then average them out and see if you're still in green. Or if you are somewhere kind of down in this range and you're still below the top line, okay? If you're still in that range, I can let you know. So let me know down below in the comments below what coin you're in on, what stock you're in on, and what price you paid, okay? And go over here on my Instagram channel, Investing Points right there, okay? Search for me up in the search box, and then when you find me, follow me, and you guys can come in here, and you guys can look at different coins that I've been doing for other people, okay? And some of these you're gonna recognize, and some of these you're gonna see, okay? And you probably were thinking about jumping into them. I jumped in on XDC recently, and there's a bunch of other ones, Sushi, Spell. Okay, so you guys can go take a look at that. So thank you guys for watching. If you've seen some stuff you haven't seen before, you probably have, because that's what most people say. Anyway, subscribe over here and then smack that bell when it pops up so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great night.